Here at SENS Research Foundation, we do biomedical research to develop ways to turn back the clock of aging. Damage is something that accumulates in any machine, whether it's alive or not. And of course, the human body is a machine. It's a really complicated one, but it's still a machine. And so damage is just a kind of inevitable side effect of the body's normal operation. And what we want to do is get rid of that damage. Being sick is what kills people, and therefore if you don't get sick, you don't die. But it's a side effect. Now the idea therefore that we should be judging the desirability, the morality of this kind of thing on the basis of the side effects makes no sense at all. If we think that it's actually quite a good thing not to get sick, and if we also think that old people are people too, it doesn't matter how long ago you were born, you still have a right not to get sick if we can make that the case, right? Then game over. You don't need to worry about the lifespan. Also, you've got to take into account that people are only going to get older at 1 year per year. I mean, we're not going to have any 1,000-year-old people at all for at least 900 years, whatever happens. And that's quite a long time to figure out what to do about it.